If you're hearing a light tick from your 3.6-liter Pentastar, you're right to suspect the factory oil schedule. That's almost always the cause. The sound you hear is the needle bearings inside a rocker arm roller failing. This creates extra space, or lash, letting the rocker hammer against the camshaft. Eventually, that roller bearing will seize. It stops rolling and starts grinding right into the hardened cam lobe. The only correct fix is to replace the failed parts. You'll need the updated Mopar rocker arms, part number 680662666AD, which have a reinforced bearing. When you put it back together, torque the upper intake manifold bolts to 9 Newton-meters and the lower intake to 11 Newton-meters. To keep this from happening again, you have to shorten your oil change interval. The factory's 10,000-mile schedule is just too long. For these engines, oil breakdown wears out those small bearings fast. Switch to a 5,000-mile schedule. If you ignore that ticking, it will turn into misfire codes from P.O. 300 to P.O. 306 as the cam lobe gets destroyed. The simplest way to protect your engine is to change the oil more often.